Hey guys, welcome to The Score. So this is a 10.5 meter frontage and 25 meters deep. So this is really cool, something a nice short compact design. It's still a 4x2 and it's actually designed for like a 250, 260 square meter lot. So come on through, let's see what it looks like and you can get a good feel of the home. So straight away, once you enter, you've got bed 2. It has this built-in robe, come through. Bed 3, which also all the minor beds have a built-in robe. So all the beds will fit a queen, maybe not with 2 side tables, but at least you'll still be able to get a larger bed in here. And then you've got your spare toilet and your spare bathroom. This is a very standard finish, so you can see what the minimum standard spec finish would look like. Standard 2-car garage in here. And then you've got your master bedroom on this side. So this is behind the garage, so it's a middle master location. You can fit a king in there. His and hers walk-in robe. Then you've got your larger shower, basin and toilet. It's a lovely Julian mirror. And then the other hers, so the his and hers, which is cool. A lot of people like that walk-in style wardrobe. And then bed 4 with another separate, it's got like a walk-in robe slash built-in. Pretty cool. This one's actually got a sliding door. So this is pretty cool. Like if you were tight on size and a budget and you've got a newborn, plop the newborn in here, you're right next to it, so you can just walk in and out. So something to think about. Just trying to maximize the space. We are limited on the size of the block. So this is open plan living. So living and dining here, offloaded to the kitchen here, which has overhead cupboards with the range hoods. It's got a nice glass window splashback, allowing so much nice natural lights into this home. And then it flows onto your laundry. And you come through, and then we've still got an alfresco, even with this size lot. So this is like an R&D zone, which allows you to really maximize the smaller lots. So you've got an alfresco with some open areas. Again, we're on a tighter lot. If you have a 30 meter deep block, from this fence line, another 5 meters backyard, which is really cool if you've got kids. So if we're really tight on size and budget, we can plop this on. If we've got that little bit more budget to get the little bit bigger block, put the same design on, and then you get that additional yard, which is really handy. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. We do it all. The small houses, we do the big homes. It just depends on your budget and location and block availability. So let us know. Hopefully we'll help you out.